In the coldest, snow-covered forest, where towering trees stood like silent guardians and icy winds rustled the frost-covered branches, life endured in quiet resilience. The crisp air echoed with the distant cries of birds flying above, while beneath the treetops, animals moved cautiously through the snow, shaped by the harsh winter environment. Amidst this frozen wilderness, a bright green parrot lay helpless in the snow, an unusual sight in such a cold region. Its vibrant feathers were dulled by frost, and one of its wings was injured, making it impossible for it to fly. Shivering and weak, the parrot clung to life, a tiny figure of color in the vast white forest. Nearby, a rescue team drove their red Jeep slowly through the snowy paths, bundled in red jackets, their eyes scanning the silent landscape. Suddenly, one team member pointed toward a splash of color on the ground, a parrot, motionless in the snow. Without hesitation, the team jumped into action. Making their way carefully through the snow, they approached the injured parrot. Its breathing was shallow, its body trembling from the cold, yet in its eyes glowed a stubborn will to survive. The team moved quickly, cleaning its wounded wing, wrapping it gently in warm cloth, and placing it inside a heated rescue box for stabilization. The cold bit into their fingers, but their determination never wavered. Time was critical, and their focus stayed entirely on saving the delicate life before them. After some time inside the warmth of the Jeep and receiving emergency care, the parrot began to perk up. Its eyes became alert again, and it tilted its head toward the team members as if acknowledging their efforts. Once strong enough, they released the bird gently back onto a low branch of a nearby tree. The parrot flapped its good wing gently, turned its head toward the team, and let out a soft, grateful chirp, a silent thank you. Smiling, the rescue team took a photo of the touching moment, knowing this rare rescue would stay with them forever. As they packed their equipment and prepared to move on, a flutter of green swooped past the Jeep. The parrot, now flying with newfound strength, circled once above them before soaring off into the trees. In the heart of the snowy forest, amidst the silence, a fragile life had been saved and an unspoken connection had been formed between humans and nature.